Hi there, today I'd like to pick a tubular lock. I got it from my nephew and he asked me if I could make a video about opening this special kind of lock. It's a little bit too bright, so it's much more better. So you can see here 7 different pins, and on the special tool I have 7 needles or feeler gauges. Those needles map the different heights of the pins from this lock. This is for tensioning. And first, before you pick, you have to flat them all down here, flash to the tool. And for that I have adjusted this ring here so that they now all are straight on the same high. So I will climb up the lock. The lock is locked down. So first I press this button here and now they are all flattened. When this is not adjusted to the right height, you can overset them all and press this on a flat surface, hard surface, and it will work fine. So then you put it inside the lock, press a little bit down, and you start to wiggle back and forth. That's very good. Once again, try it. The tensioning was too loose. I tension a little bit more, and yeah, now it's open. Now you can see the different heights here. We can clamp it up so that we can use it as a key, and with this decoder, here are the, can we see it? Different numbers for the heights, and then you can decode the key and cut a new one if you need it. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe. You are new to Locksport? Why don't visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk.